हाल फिलहाल में किसी के घर में कारपेंट्री का कुछ काम हुआ है? Any one of you had any carpentry work happening in and around? See, my mom raised her hand right from the kitchen itself. She's sitting there and raising her hand. मेरे घर में अभी ऑफ recent हुआ था carpentry work, and we see how some and you know हमारे घर में the carpenter that we have uh, बहुत अच्छा था बंदा. उससे हमने एक काम कारपेंट्री का कराया था, and then we liked his work so much that we decided that for every carpentry work in our house we are going to hire this guy only. And he was a very humble nature person and everything, and really clean and good with his work. So I thought, let's share a story with you on this carpenter wala factor only. Once there was a carpenter, a very old carpenter, who had served in an organization for many years. And in his busy schedule and everyday's work, he hardly got chance, to spend time with his family, to be with his children, to be with his wife, and the time just passed by. So he thought, now that's enough that I have done for myself and my family, and now there is time there where now it's time where I should spend more time with my family. So he walks up to his boss and he tells his boss that, sir, it has been a wonderful journey working at your place. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, इतने साल मैंने आपके यहाँ काम किया वगैरह, लेकिन नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू रिटायर. अब मुझे रिटायर होना है. क्या है कि इतने सालों में बच्चों को और घर को और बीवी को तो टाइम दे ही नहीं पाया. सो अब सोचता हूँ थोड़ा वक्त उनके साथ भी बिताऊँ. The boss was of course sad because he was one of the most loyal and a very old carpenter, a worker that this man had. So of course he was sad because such a good man, to get such good people is very difficult. So of course he was very sad, but then he in a very low voice told him, okay, but क्या तुम छोड़ने के पहले, जॉब छोड़ने के पहले मेरा एक काम करोगे प्लीज़? एक लास्ट असाइनमेंट है, एक लास्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है मुझे, मेरे लिए एक घर बना दो, मुझे एक घर बना के दे दो. वो मेरा एक बहुत ख़ास आदमी है, बहुत ख़ास क्लाइंट है जिसके लिए मैं ये करवाना चाहता हूँ. तो उस ख़ास इंसान को मैं ये गिफ्ट करना चाहता हूँ घर. और तुम्हें तो पता है मुझे इतनी जल्दी कोई दूसरा इतना अच्छा कारपेंटर नहीं मिलेगा, तो मेरे लिए एक घर बना दो, क्योंकि मुझे वो घर किसी खास को देना है. Saying this, the boss said, I hope you will do it करके. कारपेंटर अब इतने सालों की नौकरी की थी, अब उसका मन तो बिल्कुल नहीं था, बिकॉज वो घर से जब निकला था तो वो यही सोच के निकला था कि ये उसका लास्ट वर्किंग डे होने वाला है. वो आज बॉस को बाय बाय बोल के घर वापस आ जाएगा. सो ऑब्वियसली ही डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट अनदर असाइनमेंट, बट बिकॉज इतने सालों का रिलेशन रहा था विद दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ही कुडंट डायरेक्टली से नो, एंड ही सेड ओके ठीक है मैं कर देता हूँ. रिलक्टेंटली ही सेड येस. एंड क्योंकि उस कारपेंटर का उस काम में मन नहीं था, क्योंकि अब उसको और दिन खींचने थे. वो होता है ना अपनी लाइफ में, कैसे अपन एक संडे के बाद जब मंडे आता है, अरे यार वापस काम पे जाना है, वो कैसी फीलिंग होती है. उस कारपेंटर को उस वक्त वही वाली फीलिंग हुई थी. एंड एट द सेम टाइम उसे पता था ये उसकी जॉब का लास्ट असाइनमेंट है, उसकी जॉब का लास्ट काम है, इसके बाद तो उसे वैसे भी कुछ नहीं करना है. So performance didn't really matter to him that time. And as a regular carpenter, he just built the house somehow. It was not as well and as greatly done, not as greatly done as he would do all his other work. Because this he knew was his last work. And any which ways he was not going to be, promoted, or he wouldn't get a salary hike based on this work. So it didn't make any point or any sense for him to put in his 100% and do it. He just did it because he couldn't say no to his boss. So he just said okay and he did the work. तो होता है ना काम चलाओ वाला काम, बस उसने वही किया. उसने वो काम चलाओ वाला काम करके बॉस को दे दिया कि सर बना दिया मैंने, कर दिया, हो गया. अब तो मैं जा सकता हूँ, अब तो आप मुझे नहीं रोकेंगे करके. सो द बॉस सेड श्योर, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए कि तुम जाओ, उससे पहले अपनी फैमिली को एक बार मुझसे मिलाने ले आओ. कारपेंटर सेड हाँ श्योर ओके. उससे भी अच्छा लगा कि हर किसी को जब वो मान, वो सम्मान, वो रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है तो किसी को भी अच्छा लगता है. सो द कारपेंटर फेल्ट वेरी गुड. ही ब्रॉट हिज फैमिली. तो द बॉस सेड व्हाई आई कॉल्ड योर फैमिली, मैंने तुम्हारी फैमिली को क्यों बुलाया, क्योंकि उनके सामने मैं तुम्हें कुछ देना चाहता हूँ और कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. एंड he gave the keys of that same house to the carpenter and said, this is the reward of your hard work and loyalty with which you've served over a period of so many years. You are that special person जिसको मैं ये घर गिफ्ट करना चाहता था, क्योंकि तुमने मेरे कंपनी में इतने साल इतनी ईमानदारी से काम किया था. ये मेरा गिफ्ट है मेरी तरफ से तुम्हारे लिए और तुम्हारी फैमिली के लिए. Shocked. The carpenter was really shocked. He never expected such a huge and a big gift from his boss. He was very happy. But just to the second moment of his happiness, he realized the kind of work he had done in that house. It was a very ordinary work. That's the time he felt the pinch. काश उस वक्त मुझे पता होता कि ये घर मुझे अपने ही लिए और अपनी ही फैमिली के लिए बनाना है, तो मैं कितना अच्छा बनाता, मैं बहुत अच्छे से काम करता. यही होता है हमारे डेली लाइफ में. Every day when we wake up, guys, the day is filled with opportunities. We have ample amount of opportunities in the entire day filled for us. It's on to us whether we take those opportunities ordinarily or we make each step a special one and try giving our best. So now onwards, every day in the morning when you get up, you're moving out to work, don't take it like a regular day. फिर वही काम, फिर वही दिन, फिर वही कटकट, वही किचकिच. बस 9 to 5 जॉब में 5 बज जाए और मैं घर जाऊं, बस हो जाए. हम 9 to 5 जॉब करते ही है ना. अब हम रो के करेंगे तो भी हमें करना है, हम हंस के करेंगे तो भी हमें वही करना है. चाहे हमें अच्छा लगे या ना लगे, हमें करना तो है ही. तो अगर करना ही है तो why not do it with enthusiasm? Why not do it with energy? Why not do it with joy? Very often in our work scenario we hear कोई एक बंदा होता है जो बहुत एक्स्ट्रा काम कर रहा होता है. तो हम बहुत बार, टिपिकल कॉर्पोरेट सिनेरियो की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, हम बहुत बार उसको बोलते हैं इतना करके क्या मिल जाएगा, थोड़ी ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाने वाला है. हमारा बॉस ना इतनी ही सैलरी रखने वाला है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलने वाला. we all, I'm not saying you all, I'm saying we all, हम सब ये करते हैं. we all do this. in fact, जब भी हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा काम मिलता है, अगर हमारे पास 5 चीज़ें हमारी लाइंड अप होती है जो हमारे वर्क प्रोफाइल में आती हैं, उन 5 चीज़ों के अलावा जब हमें कोई छठी चीज़ दी जाती है, द 6th थिंग दैट वी आर गिवन, हमारा पहला रिएक्शन क्या होता है? व्हाई मी? मैं क्यों करूं? मेरा काम नहीं है? Just next time when you think of asking this question, why me, try taking it in another way and asking, why not me? It's a simple way of addressing your issues, your problems. When challenges are given to you, when that extra thing is given to you, instead of every time saying and asking, why me? Why me again? हर बार ये एक्स्ट्रा काम मुझे ही क्यों आता है? दूसरों का काम भी मुझे ही करना है. So whenever you think of saying why me, next time try changing your question and saying why not me? Of course I might be more capable than others, that's why it's been given to me. Enjoy it. वो 6th काम, जो 5 चीज़ों के अलावा जो 6th चीज़ आपको दी गई है, वो करनी तो है ही आपको. आप बड़बड़ा के, किटकिट करके, 100 बातें बोल के फिर करोगे ही उसको, राइट? बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू स्टे इन योर जॉब. तो जब कर ही रहे हो तो why not do it with passion? Maybe that 6th thing is going to turn as an opportunity for you. Maybe it may enhance your skill, and maybe it may showcase your skill to your employer. You never know. The carpenter never knew that the house which he was building so ordinarily was actually going to turn out to be his house. He never knew that that house is going to be gifted to him. He never knew that that was an opportunity for him only. He could have made the best of it. But when opportunities come, they don't always tell you and warn you that, yeah, knock knock, ring ring, hello, I'm coming, huh? Be ready to open the door. They just come and stand at your door. If you open the door at the right time, the opportunity is yours. You shut it, it goes to the neighbor and knocks their door. So on this note, give each day your best, do it with full enthusiasm, and do it with full energy and interest and passion. And believe me, the day you start enjoying your work, you will start loving it, and it no longer will look like, a burden to you. So on this note, thank you, bye bye, take care. I'll be soon back with another story to tell you, where I will share a story with Benas Kumana. And you guys also, I'm looking forward for your support and stories from you all as well. So if there is anything that you all wish to share with me, please do share. And like, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget, beside the subscribe is a bell icon. If you subscribe but don't hit the bell icon, my videos won't come to you. So after you subscribe, आप जब भी सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन क्लिक करिए. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक तो बनता है if you've really enjoyed the videos. If you feel that your opinion differs from mine, please mention that also in the comment section. If you liked it, mention that as well, and share to as many people and as many groups you can, because we spread a lot of, as I always say, we spread a lot of fake news. We spread a lot of gossips. Why not spread something positive? Something that can be useful to someone, something that can bring a good positive change in someone's life. So let's share this positivity all across. Thank you so very much. And yes, thank you all who all have appreciated my videos so far, who have hit their like, who have subscribed to my channel. I also know some of you have shared my videos to some of your groups. Thank you so very much for doing that. Your one simple click helps me grow a lot. So thank you so very much for that, and bye bye, take care, have a nice day.